Good morning. I am going to be drawing a self-portrait this morning. And a self-portrait is a picture of myself. And what I'm going to do is focus on just my face. I have a pretty good idea in my head about what I look like, but I want to have a mirror so that I can really tell how I look and really kind of try to get it down on the paper. So here's my mirror. And I'm going to be looking at the mirror, and the first thing I want to look at is what is the shape of my face. Some people's faces are really round, kind of like a ball. Some people have a long, skinny face, more like a brick. And so we want to make sure that we really look at the shape of the face. So see how these things kind of stick out on the side of my face, my cheekbones? That's part of the shape of my face. I don't have like a smooth face. My face goes down and then it bumps out and then it goes down again. So that's the first thing I'm going to do is look at the shape of my face in the mirror. Okay? And as I'm looking in the mirror, I'm going to start sketching. I notice across the top of my forehead is kind of flat, sort of a straight line there. I'm not going to put the hair in yet. Then it comes down the sides. Comes down, bulges out a little bit at my cheekbones like I showed you, and then it comes down again and around my chin. Okay, so there's the shape of my face right there. Okay, now I want to put in where my eyes and my nose and my mouth are. Okay, so I'm going to sort of find those places before I start really drawing them. So I look in there. And my eyes are about halfway down my face. My nose is going to be in the middle. My mouth is here. And I still have room for my chin. So I just made some little marks about like where I think things are going to go. And I'm doing that kind of lightly before I start drawing the actual shapes. Okay, now I'm going to look back in the mirror. And I'm going to start with my eye. And I'm going to really look at the shape of my eye. Is my eye a circle?
No.
No.
That would look really freaky.
Is it even an oval?
No. Ovals are
it's kind of a
round.
Almost like an almond.
An almond shape, right. That's a great way of putting it. It's kind of an almond shape. So I'm really looking at the shape of my eye.
What's the difference in an oval shape and an almond shape?
Well, an almond shape is sort of pointed on the edges, and an oval is really rounded on the edges. So here are the shapes of my eyes. Okay, the brown part of my eye actually touches the top and the bottom of my eye. Okay, so it's not like floating in the middle. It touches the top and the bottom. So if you're really looking, when you draw your picture, you'll notice that. Okay, and I have a little pink thing in the corner of my eye. Does anybody know what that's called? Do you know
Tear
what
duct?
it's for? Right, it's your tear duct.
I use mine a lot.
It's a little pink blob right there that's in the corner of your eye. So I even have added my tear duct. Now I'm going to add my eyebrows, and they have sort of a special shape, like nobody else's eyebrows. Adding the eyebrows. Okay. Now I'm going to do my nose. And I'm going to sort of focus on the bottom of my nose more, because I really don't have like lines coming down my nose that are really strong, but there are sort of like some strong lines and shapes at the bottom of my nose. So I'm going to focus on the bottom of my nose first. Everybody's nose is different. And my nose, I need an eraser right there next to you.